of oh my. G is for goat, G is for grass, H is for hat, H is for so fast. Sing with me from A to Z. Learning letters is so easy. Let's have fun, let's sing and glad. Hey on French, you hooray! I is for insects, I is for ice cream, J is for juice, J is VM so sweet. K is for king, K is for key, L is for lion, L is for leopard. Roar with me. M is for monkey, M is for mango, N is for nut, N is for let's go. O is for orange, O is for olives, P is for pay, P is for pool, so big. Q is for queen, Q is for quilt, R is for rabbit, R is for rat, don't tilt. S is for star, S is for sun, T is for television, T is for table, so much fun. U is for uncle, U is for umbrella, V is for van, V is for vase, so Bella. W is for window, W is for watch, X is for x-ray, x-ray fish, look a lot. Y is for yellow, Y is for yarn, Z is for zebra, Z is for zoo. All board, come on, sing with me from A to Z. Letters and words, it's fun, you see. Now we know our ABCs. Let's clap, dance, and shout with glee.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star.